fire inside me. I've been walking through the nights with an open mind, chasing every little spark just to stay alive. Everybody talks big, but they never try. I've been breaking all the locks just to see the sky. Same old stories, same old doubts, but I'm done letting fear run the route. If the world's gonna shake when I rise, let it shake. I don't compromise. I'm a hurricane, heart spinning out in the dark. Every beat is a spark, watch me light up the night. I'm a hurricane, heart tearing limits apart. If you're ready to start, come and run through the wild. Heart like a hurricane, nothing gonna hold me, no. Heart like a hurricane, heart like a hurricane. Watch me let it blow, let it blow, let it blow.
People love to analyze what they never chase, pointing fingers from the shadows like it's some kind of race. I've been building every scar in a solid grace. Now I walk into my power with a steady pace. Same old questions, same old noise, but I don't bend to doubtful voices. If the moment is mine, when I rise, I'll take it. No compromise.
I'm a hurricane, heart spinning out in the dark. Every beat is a spark, watch me light up the night. I'm a hurricane, heart tearing limits apart. If you're ready to start, come and run through the wild.
If you feel the lightning burning under your skin,